Hey there, we need to shade a region on a graph for this inequality. Let's go nice and slow, one step at a time. First, let's change the greater than or equal sign to an equal sign. This gives us a straight line. We will draw this line first. Let's put y equal to 0. Then we get 3 times x equals 21. Split 21 into 3 equal parts and we get x equals 7. So the line crosses the x-axis at the point 7, 0. Now let's put x equal to 0. We get 7 times y equals 21. Split 21 into 7 equal parts and we get y equals 3. So the line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, 3. Now we connect these 2 points with a straight line. Because our sign is greater than or equal, we draw a solid line, not a dashed one. The equal part means points on the line are included. Now we need to find which side of the line to shade. Let's pick an easy test point. The origin, which is 0, 0, is the easiest. We put in x equals 0 and y equals 0. We got 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 21? No way. 0 is much smaller than 21. So the point 0, 0 does not belong in our answer region. Since 0, 0 did not work, we shade the other side of the line, the side that is away from the origin. That is the upper right side. Great job. Our answer is a solid line through 7, 0 and 0, 3, with the upper right side shaded. Every point in that shaded area makes our inequality true. You did it.